In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a message in a Slack channel. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now let's dive right in. First, we need to select the appropriate channel where you want to share your thoughts or updates. On the left sidebar of your Slack interface, you'll see a list of channels that you can choose from. Go ahead and click on the specific channel you want to post in. It could be something general like all Slack, or a more specific channel, such as #social, depending on your needs. Take a moment to find and click on that channel. Once you're in the channel, you'll notice a large text box at the bottom labeled with the name of the channel, something like message channel-name. This is where the magic happens. Click inside this text box. You can now type out your message. Whether it's an update for the team, a question, or sharing important information, just go ahead and type your message. When you're ready to send it, you have two options. You can either click on the little paper airplane icon next to the text box, or if you prefer the keyboard route, just hit the Enter key. And just like that, your message is on its way to the channel. Now let's talk about sending direct messages, which is really just private chat between you and a colleague. This can be useful for quick questions or one-on-one discussions. To start, scroll down the left sidebar until you reach the Direct Messages section. Here, you'll see a list of people you've previously messaged. If the person you want to chat with is listed there, simply click on their name. If not, don't worry. You can start a new conversation by clicking on Invite People, or you can search for them directly in the search bar to find their name and start a new thread. Once you've clicked their name and the chat window opens up, you'll see another message box at the bottom. Go ahead and click inside this box, just like we did earlier. Type out your private message. When it's all set and you're satisfied with what you've written, it's time to send it off. Click the send icon again, or hit Enter, and your message will be delivered straight to your colleague. And there you have it. You've just learned how to send messages in both Slack channels and direct messages. It's really that simple, and once you get the hang of it, you'll be communicating like a pro in no time. If you have any questions about using Slack, or if there are specific features you'd like to know more about, feel free to drop a comment below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and consider subscribing for more tips and tricks on using various tools effectively. Thanks for